Need to completely remove Zoom from your computer. Whether you're troubleshooting problems, reinstalling the latest version, or simply no longer need the app, uninstalling Zoom properly also removes leftover files that can sometimes cause issues later. In this guide, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Zoom in 2026. Before uninstalling, make sure Zoom isn't running in the background. Close any active meetings, exit the Zoom application, and check the system tray to ensure it's fully closed. If it's still running, the uninstall process may not complete properly. On Windows, open the Settings app, then go to Apps and Installed Apps. On older versions of Windows, you can open the Control panel and select Programs and Features. Find Zoom Workplace in the list of installed applications. Click the three-dot menu or right-click the app, then choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions until the removal process finishes. After Zoom is uninstalled, you can remove any remaining files stored on your computer. These may include cached data, configuration files, or temporary folders. Deleting these leftovers helps ensure a completely clean reinstall if you plan to install Zoom again. Once everything has been removed, restart your computer. This clears any temporary files that were still in use and completes the uninstall process. And that's how to completely uninstall Zoom in 2026. Whether you're fixing installation problems or preparing for a fresh installation, removing Zoom and its leftover files helps keep your system clean. So if you decide to reinstall Zoom later, you'll be starting with a clean setup. Thanks for watching.